Hi, how are you? I'm Frank. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will cook pumpkin, and the pumpkin I grow in my backyard. So let's go pick the pumpkin. Okay, this is my pumpkin. Let's go. If you can see the pumpkin, and we're gonna pick this and cook it today. Look at this. This is the big pumpkin. Look at that pumpkin. That pumpkin I grow in my backyard. This is a big one. Alright, we're gonna cook it tonight. I'm gonna do steamed pumpkin with rib too. That's too big. We're not gonna need all of them, but I'm probably gonna just have 1/3 of it. Okay, we already take off the skin and now we just cut it as the same size as a rib. But I think that's still too much, so we only use half of it. There is no requirement like what kind of shape and how big you want to cut it, but we want to match the size with the rib since we diced up the rib. So we want to kind of match it as the same size as the rib. And okay, that's how they look like. And now we get some black bean and garlic. I already pre-washed the black bean, so we basically just chop them up in very fine form. And here we have it. Okay, now it's ready to mix them up. We have to use a bigger bowl because the place is too small. We can put them in a bowl and then add the black bean and garlic sauce, and also we're gonna add the other ingredient to marinate the rib. You're gonna add a little bit corn flour. The corn flour will help to thicken up the sauce while you were steaming it, because when you're steaming it, a lot of water gonna get into it. So the corn starch will help to thicken up the sauce. And then oil, and then we have sesame oil. The sesame gonna give you a kick and taste better. And then we're gonna have some salt, just a little bit. And then we will have oyster sauce and then soy sauce. Also a little bit of cooking wine. The cooking wine will help to get rid of some of the pork flavor, the pork flavor that comes with the meat itself. Also, there's another tip, and before you cook the rib, when you buy the rib from the butcher or from a local supermarket, before you cook it, soak it into water for let's say 2 hours, 3 hours. Let all the blood come out from the meat, and then the meat will taste better. So now basically just mix it up. After we mix it well, and then we're gonna pour it back to the place that we used for steam, and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. The longer the better. And then put a little bit of scallion on the top. So after 15 minutes, I bring the water to boil, and then now we can put it in there, and we're gonna steam it for around 13 minutes. Okay, we already steamed it for 14 minutes, so it's already done, and we can take it out. Be careful when you're taking it out, it's extremely hot. So wear a baking glove or something to protect your hand. And here we have it. Here we have a steamed pumpkin with rib and black bean and garlic sauce. If you have any question about this video, please leave it in the comment section and I will try my best to answer you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more future video. I will see you next time. Bye.